Welcome back again. So today you're gonna have a test. It's gonna be practical work. So by the next week you should send me this is homework. Right. What I want it to be and what I want you to use it. So first of all we have two new concepts. OP classes and vectors. So that what you should show me that you understand how to use. You understand how to create a class, you understand how to use a vector. I give you pretty much freedom to decide what you want to do, what kind of work it should be. But again, it will be very big plus if it's gonna be interactive. You already know how to work with sound, microphone, camera, and mouse. And okay, it's not quite ready yet. Generative. So final output, not just follow requirement. Requirements is you should use classes and you should use vectors, but also should have aesthetic part. So how it looks, how it perceived by people, right? So this is plus, but gonna it's gonna affect your final score again. So this requirements and additional. What you can do again now when you have vectors and classes, so have sense if you will create some object that can be controlled with vectors, right? So for example, you have different circles on the screen that have some position xy, that have some animation, and they can draw something on the screen or generate some image, but the movement controlled by vector. Also maybe the color, size or position can be controlled by vector. So I want to use to distance, how to find distance between vectors, between this and this vector. So maybe when they come close to each other, the behavior could change, right? If they become close to each other or they become close to the mouse, the behavior can change, and so and so and so. So this is pretty much all, everything what I want to do. So you can put example. this is example. So you remember one of the first classes when we loaded pictures, we figure out the pixel, color of the pixel of the image, and if my background image here red, so this ball gonna be here red. So this is one of example. When they move, they figure out what's the color of the background image here. So I can make them move faster and draw faster if we have more sound, more music, or draw slower if it's silence, right? So they change their behavior when they close to each other and to the mouse. So try to avoid each other first. Um, invert color they draw when they close to each other into the mouse. So this is example we have, right? Okay, I can go here, and so you can do some research a little bit. You remember I show you this example, my work, right? A similar one. So, but you can go and check different what you can do here. So this is just various examples. I will attach few of them, but you can think how you can make some interesting effect with what you already know. This is pretty simple. Okay, good luck, and I'm waiting for your works before next week. And don't forget my email, and don't forget put your name in the archive when you send me. Again, put all images, video, sound, everything you use in one folder in our archive and send it to me so I can check it after. Okay, good luck. I'm excited to see what you can do.